Mastering video conferencing, best practices for professional communication. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of video conferencing. In our modern digital age, video conferencing has become a vital tool for business communication. It's crucial not just to know how to use the technology, but also to understand the best practices to come across professionally. So, let's jump in. Before you even start the call, you want to ensure your environment is suitable. Here are some key points to consider. Quiet surroundings. Find a quiet spot to avoid any background noise that can distract from your message. Neutral background. A clutter-free and neutral backdrop is ideal. You don't want anything behind you that could detract attention. Good lighting. Ensure that your face is well lit, preferably with natural light. If not, a soft desk lamp in front of you will help. No one likes technical glitches, especially during important business meetings. Here's what you need to ensure. Stable internet connection. A wired connection is often more reliable than Wi-Fi. Clear audio. Use a good quality headset or microphone. Camera positioning. Position your camera at eye level. This creates a more direct line of communication with the person you're speaking to. Test before you start. Always do a quick test run to make sure both video and audio are functioning well. Now, let's focus on you. Dress appropriately. Even if it's just the upper half that will be visible, always dress in a manner that's suitable for your business setting. Maintain eye contact. Look into the camera when speaking. It gives the impression of direct eye contact with the viewer. Body language. Sit up straight and avoid any sudden movements. Your body language should exude confidence. Being on video doesn't mean you should communicate any differently. Here are some quick tips. Be concise and clear. Avoid using jargon unless everyone is familiar with it. Allow pauses. This gives others a chance to jump in, especially if there's a slight delay in transmission. Stay engaged. Show you're actively listening by nodding and providing verbal affirmations when necessary. Use visuals. When explaining complex topics, screen sharing with graphs or slides can be highly beneficial. Finally, always maintain a level of respect and etiquette. Be punctual. Join the conference a few minutes early to ensure everything is in order. Mute when not speaking. This avoids any unwanted background noise. Introduce everyone. If there are new faces, ensure everyone knows who's who. Avoid interruptions. Wait for someone to finish speaking before you chime in. Video conferencing is more than just turning on a camera and microphone. It's about effective communication, professionalism, and mutual respect. We hope these best practices serve you well in your future video conferences. Stay professional, stay connected, and keep learning.